everyone, welcome back to another video of e-commerce army. Today in this video I am going to tell you how you can add Instagram feed to your Shopify homepage. So to understand the whole process, please make sure to watch the video till the end. Also please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel for daily Shopify updates, Shopify or e-commerce updates. So before wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to go to your Shopify admin. From your Shopify admin, go to your apps. From app section, we will go to our Shopify app store by clicking on customize your store. So after going to your Shopify app store, we will search here InstaFeed app. From the search list, we will find InstaFeed app. It is the free app and it is amazing to show or edit your Insta feed on your Shopify homepage. Click on InstaFeed app and add this app on your Shopify store by clicking add app. So as I already have installed the app, so once you install the app, you will come to this window. So I have already added my Instagram account. You will connect your Instagram account by clicking on this. This will take you to Instagram, and there you will log in your Instagram page, Instagram business page. After adding your Instagram business page, then you can add the feed title that you want to show on your Shopify homepage. Then you can also add image spacing. You can also select the action what will do when somebody click on the image. So I have selected open Instagram. Also you can select your layout if you want to show it in grid or slider. I will go with grid layout, and also you can select 2 rows and columns. After selecting everything, click on save. Once the app is saved, we will go to our online store section. From online store, we will customize our current published theme. From customize section, we will scroll down and click on add section, and from here we will add InstaFeed app section. So I have already added the InstaFeed app section. Here you can see. So after adding the InstaFeed section, you can customize your font. You can change the size of the heading. You can also change the feed width, and also if you want to add any custom code here. So this is the easy tutorial to add Instagram feed to your Shopify store. So this is it from today's video. So after watching this video, if you need any help or consultation, you can contact me on Skype. I will provide the link in the description. Also please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel for daily Shopify updates. See you in the next video.